Your car has a sealed transmission with no dipstick, and you want to check the fluid. Many modern vehicles skip the dipstick entirely, but that does not mean the fluid is unreachable. There are methods to verify level and condition without a trip to the dealership. Here are 7 practical ways to check transmission fluid at home without a dipstick. Locate the fluid level check plug. Most sealed transmissions have a fill plug and a fluid level check plug on the side of the transmission case. Their job is to allow a technician to verify the fluid level at a specified operating temperature. When the check plug is removed at the correct temperature, a small amount of fluid should drip out if the level is correct. This is the manufacturer-specified method and the most accurate way to check a sealed transmission. How to do it? Raise the vehicle safely on level ground. Warm the transmission to operating temperature, typically around 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the fluid check plug on the side of the transmission pan. A small trickle of fluid means the level is correct. No fluid coming out means the level is low. Replace the plug and torque to specification. Use an OBD2 scanner to read temperature. The transmission control module monitors fluid temperature using an internal sensor. Its job is to report the real-time fluid temperature for shift scheduling and diagnostics. A capable OBD2 scanner can display this temperature in live data mode. Since sealed transmissions must be checked at a very specific temperature, the scanner is the only way to confirm you are reading the fluid at the correct condition. How to do it? Connect a scanner that supports transmission module live data. Navigate to the transmission live data screen and find the fluid temperature reading. Start the engine and let the transmission warm up while watching the temperature rise. When it hits the specified check temperature for your vehicle, proceed with the level check at the side plug. Specification ranges are printed in your service manual. Inspect fluid through the fill port. The transmission fill port is located on top of the transmission case. Its job is to allow fresh fluid to be added when service is performed. With the engine off, the fill port gives direct visual access to the fluid inside. You cannot measure the level precisely through the fill port, but you can confirm the fluid is present and check its color and condition. Healthy fluid is bright red and transparent. How to do it? Remove the fill plug on top of the transmission with the engine off. Use a flashlight to look inside and confirm fluid is present. A small dipstick or thin wooden stick can be dipped in to check color and clarity. Dark brown or black fluid with a burnt smell needs replacement regardless of level. Reinstall the fill plug before driving. Use a dealer-style dipstick tool. Many vehicles have a sealed dipstick port that is hidden under a plastic cap. Its job is to allow dealership technicians to access the fluid level using a specialized long dipstick tool. The tool is universal and available at most auto parts stores. Once inserted into the correct port, it reads the fluid level just like a traditional dipstick. This is an inexpensive option for most home mechanics. How to do it? Identify the correct tool for your vehicle, usually a universal transmission dipstick tool costing between $10 and $30. Remove the cap on the sealed dipstick tube and insert the tool. Pull it out, wipe clean, reinsert fully, and read the level mark. Most tools have a hot and cold mark on each side. Check at the specified fluid temperature for accuracy. Fluid leaks. A sealed transmission should not lose fluid under normal use. Its job is to retain the factory fluid volume for the life of the vehicle. When you see transmission fluid puddles under the vehicle, the system is losing fluid from a leaking seal or gasket. Transmission fluid is usually red or reddish-brown and has a sweet petroleum smell distinct from engine oil. Checking for leaks catches fluid loss before it damages the transmission. How to do it? Park the vehicle on clean cardboard overnight and check for fluid drips in the morning. Locate the drip source by tracing it back to the transmission pan, output shaft seal, or input shaft seal. Repair the leak before adding fluid. A replacement pan gasket costs between $10 and $30. Output shaft seals cost between $15 and $40 each. Check the fluid level. The transmission fluid level directly affects how shifts feel. The fluid's job is to provide hydraulic pressure and lubrication so shifts happen smoothly and consistently. When level drops, shifts become delayed, harsh, or erratic. The vehicle may also slip briefly between gears under acceleration. These symptoms are a strong indicator the fluid is low, even without any direct inspection. How to do it? Drive the vehicle through a normal shift pattern in a safe area. Note any delay between throttle input and gear engagement. Listen for flaring RPM during each shift. If shifts are clearly different from how the vehicle normally drives, low fluid is a strong suspect. Raise the vehicle and check through the fluid check plug immediately before more damage occurs. Transmission fault codes. The transmission control module monitors fluid condition and pressure continuously. Its job is to log fault codes when sensors detect abnormal values that might indicate low or degraded fluid. Low fluid typically triggers codes related to pressure, shift timing, or line pressure. A scan provides direct evidence of a fluid-related problem even before visual inspection, and it often guides you to the exact cause. How to do it? Connect a scanner capable of reading transmission module codes. Any code in the PSU700 or PU800 range related to pressure, solenoid response, or shift timing can indicate fluid issues. Pull all codes and compare them with your service manual. Fix the fluid first, then recheck whether codes return. Low or burnt fluid causes many codes that disappear after a correct service.